Greetings, my wonderful friends. Happy Monday to all of you. Friends, I have very important news today. Huge changes are happening right now, and these changes will impact many Americans, including senior citizens and low-income households. Our federal government may be able to help you financially with your bills and expenses. But friends, you will have to apply for this relief. And do watch until the end of this video for all of the details that you need to know. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. So if you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos. Comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Please note that the more often you comment below the keywords from a video, the more likely your chances of winning a $75 Walmart gift card. A new program to help low-income households with water bills has been launched by the Maryland Department of Human Services. Up to $2,000 in assistance will be offered from the Low-Income Household Water Assistance Program. It focuses on families whose water bills are 30 days or more past due. Lourdes Padilla, the Department of Human Services Secretary, has told reporters today, no family or child should go without access to water because of challenges paying bills. With the launch of the new water assistance program, Maryland is expanding access to more affordable water for low-income households. The applications for the program will be on first-come, first-served basis and will continue until all federal funds are exhausted. But friends, in order to qualify for this program, you must meet specific needs. If your household's water or wastewater services has been disconnected due to outstanding water bills, grant funds might be available to help you with your balance. Fees may also be paid to help reconnect household water services. So if your household has received any notice that your water or wastewater services have been disconnected, and this is due to an overdue balance, funds may be available to pay all or part of your bill. So my friends, if you meet all of the eligibility requirements, please definitely make sure that you apply. And the great news is that many states across our country are planning to send out more relief money through their own state relief bills. This includes states like California and New York. Congress comes back in session this week with Democratic leaders under heavy pressure to deliver on key priorities before the midterm elections. Those include additional supplemental spending plans to address crisis relief, legislation to enhance U.S. competition, and support domestic chip manufacturing, and also confirming President Biden's picks for federal agencies and courts. Democrats plan to make an all-out push to get these and other must-dos finished before lawmakers move forward with their campaign trail this summer. There is a large body of work to be done, Senate Majority Whip Dick Durbin said as he previewed the long days of voting to come. Members are really worn out over nominations, but we have no choice. The Senate will kick off the work period with votes on nominees for the Federal Reserve and Federal Trade Commission. Some of the more than 100 Biden administration nominations are awaiting action. Democratic and GOP leaders on the House and Senate Appropriations Committee will meet this week to discuss potential top-line numbers on fiscal 2023 domestic and defense spending. Both sides of the aisle are to hammer out a final deal on legislation boosting domestic manufacturing, especially in the semiconductor industry. Senators are hoping to reach a compromise to lower out-of-pocket costs for insulin. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer wants to revisit the $10 billion plan to boost the United States' preparedness. The pressure to move quickly on these priorities is especially acute in the Senate, where the House passed items, including a budget reconciliation package, stalled in the 50-50 chamber. As long as Democrats hold together, they can discharge nominees from committees, limit debate, and confirm them, though each of those steps takes up time and may require an assistance from Vice President Kamala Harris.
in order to lower costs and improve their daily lives. That will be one of our primary focuses. The Senate will also continue confirming President Biden's administrative and judicial nominees. Today, we'll vote to advance the nomination of Lael Brainerd to be Vice Chairman of the Federal Reserve Board of Governors. Ms. Brainerd received bipartisan backing in the committee, and I expect her to sail through this chamber with similar bipartisan support. As soon as tomorrow, the Senate will proceed on the nomination of Lisa Cook to sit on the Federal Reserve Board of Governors. Coming from humble beginnings in rural Georgia, where her family fought racial segregation, Ms. Cook would make history as the first Black woman ever to sit on the Federal Reserve Board of Governors. Her qualifications are irrefutable. She's a professor of economics at Michigan State, a member of the Federal Reserve Bank of Chicago Advisory Board, and served as senior economist in the President Obama's Council of Economic Advisors. In short, Ms. Cook absolutely belongs on the Fed, and I look forward to the Senate confirming her soon. This week, the Senate will also confirm Alvaro Bedoya as a commissioner on the Federal Trade Commission, breaking a 2-2 deadlock on the FTC that has lasted for over a year. Mr. Bedoya's confirmation is truly significant. If we want to lower costs, if we want to understand why the price of things like gasoline have surged, then it's important to break the 2-2 deadlock at the FTC so it can fully examine these issues and execute its agenda. Every time Americans go to the pump, they just know something truly rotten is going on with America's energy sector. Last year, the top 25 oil and gas companies reported $205 billion in profits. Earlier this month, ExxonMobil alone reported its highest quarterly.
Well, friends, thank you so much for joining me here today. That is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Remember that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. Friends, the winner of today's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway is Robert Hale. Congratulations, my friend. Please note that if I've announced you as the winner, it's important that you check your notifications page to claim the gift card and provide me with an email address. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.